Assurance Wireless users often experience no service issues. Understanding why requires knowing how Assurance Wireless actually works. Assurance Wireless is what's called an MVNO, or Mobile Virtual Network Operator. This means they don't own their own cell towers or network infrastructure. The first major cause of no service is coverage issues. Since Assurance Wireless uses T-Mobile's network, any area with poor T-Mobile coverage will also have poor Assurance Wireless service. The second common cause is SIM card problems. A faulty, damaged, or improperly inserted SIM card will prevent your phone from connecting to the network entirely. Incorrect APN settings are another major cause. APN stands for Access Point Name, and these settings tell your phone how to connect to the internet through the mobile network. The Affordable Connectivity Program pause has also affected some users. This federal program provided additional benefits, and its suspension, due to lack of funding, has impacted service for those who relied on it. Finally, many users report issues with Assurance Wireless phones themselves. Poor device quality, including defective touchscreens and battery problems, can cause apparent service issues. This is why many experts recommend using your own unlocked phone instead. Understanding these common causes helps identify why Assurance Wireless shows no service. The next section will cover specific troubleshooting steps to fix these issues. When Assurance Wireless shows no service, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to restore connectivity. Let's start with the most basic and effective solutions. First, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network and often resolves temporary connection issues. If that doesn't work, restart your phone completely. This clears temporary files and resets network connections that may be causing the problem. Next, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and not damaged. A loose or damaged SIM card is a common cause of no service issues. Here's how to properly check and reinsert your SIM card. Follow these steps carefully to ensure proper connection. If the SIM card is properly installed but you still have issues, check your APN settings. These tell your phone how to connect to the internet through Assurance Wireless. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, you may need to contact Assurance Wireless customer service. However, be prepared for long wait times and potential call disconnections. Many users report better performance by using their own unlocked phone instead of Assurance Wireless provided devices. The provided phones often have quality issues, including defective touchscreens and battery problems. Remember that Lifeline program participants must recertify their eligibility annually. Failure to complete this process will result in service termination, which could explain sudden service loss. If problems persist and coverage remains poor, consider switching to alternative Lifeline providers in your area. Some smaller companies like Click Mobile offer more personalized support and better service quality.